Peeps, welcome back to the vlog. So today, since we had an issue with the Evo, I'm just going to drop off the Evo early. As you can see, I actually rented a U-Haul trailer because I don't feel like driving the Evo. Bumper is already prepped. Put the bumper in the back of the truck already, and yeah, we just go ahead and bring it over to Kiet. Gonna have to do something with this. I couldn't get this thing off, so I'm just gonna leave it dangling like that. But yeah, I'm just pretty annoyed. There's always something wrong with the Evo, and I just really want to get it fixed. So we're gonna drop it off, and God knows, maybe 2 to 3 weeks we get the Evo back in a whole new look, and hopefully it's running right. Once kids get it done fixed, I'm gonna bring it to Moore's as well for a second look, just to make sure everything's okay. But yeah, it's a little windy outside, peeps, so I'm sorry if you can't hear me. But right now I'm just gonna load up the vehicle and head over and drop it off the Kiet, and yeah, just time to load it up. All right, peeps, got the vehicle loaded up. Good thing I took the bumper off, because I definitely wouldn't clear this area. Yeah, definitely parked a little bit over that side more than this side, but hey, guess it's all right. Supposed to wait for a package to come by UPS, but it's not here yet, and we're running out of time because I only got this for a few hours. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and head over to Kiet's now and drop this thing off and come back for the package later. So yeah, poor Evo on its trailer. So made it to Kiet. Gonna back it up for me. Saying made it safe. First time trailing my car. You hear it? You feel it? Something's wrong.
It's almost like it's not seeing what's wrong.
It is not getting like acceleration. And what else? The AFR is running high.
Almost like it's fucking lost connection to like your map.
Been good today, CJ. How's work?
Good. Getting shit done.
As always. All right, peeps, so I'm just gonna drop the vehicle off here, and there's gonna be a whole lot of work gonna get done to the vehicle, and probably see it in the next week or so. For me, it's gonna take about that long. For you guys, it's gonna take about, actually you guys probably gonna wait a week or two with me anyways, but in this same video you'll see the finished product and when hopefully the Evo gets fixed. So anyways, I'll see you guys really soon. Alright, and we're back. So yeah, peeps, I know I dropped off the car at Status Garage. I actually made a video of me picking up the vehicle, but I ran into a little problem with the recording. My mic actually ran out of battery, so I was talking the whole time, made a whole long video. I went to edit it, and then there was no sound. So I made sure I check it this time. The vehicle is here. I finally picked it up. So let's just start this video like that. It's actually been almost 2 months since we dropped off the Evo. I thought it was only a couple weeks, but it was 2 months. We actually got the vehicle fixed. The first issue was it was given too much power in the last video because of the fourth injector. So the fourth, it was connected, but it was pretty loose, so we was only running on 3 injectors instead of 4, so that's what's bogging the vehicle down and lagging it. Good thing it was just an easy fix, plug and play, just plugged it in, and it worked pretty well. But without further ado, I want to show you guys what the Evo looks like now. So here we go. Boom, there it is. I don't know if you guys follow my Instagram, but if you do, you know that I took the wrap off and the vehicle is back to completely white. So yeah, shout out to Tommy, shout out to Jerry for hooking it up with the paint job to paint match the vehicle. So I'm pretty happy with the result. Everything works pretty well. I do have to redo the rear bumper, but it's not because of the paint, it's because of something, an error in modification, but I'll definitely get to it soon. But yeah, let me show you guys the new part of the Evo. Besides this getting painted, this is actually new. This side skirt is new. We had the V2 side skirt, but it had the air strut right there. But this is also V2 side skirt. but it's actually the full underboard. So this looks a lot better. In my opinion, it looks a whole lot better, and yeah, amazing. So we're going moving out the vehicle. It's a whole lot of stuff I want to show you guys, so just bear with me. We did take the window guards off, but that's gonna go back on. I just haven't got time to do it. The new rear bumper. So this is the new rear bumper. This is actually the V2 bumper. We also have the freaking what is it, the rear diffuser, half carbon, but it's in the back of, in the shed because I don't have time to put it on yet. A lot of major adjustment. So the main reason why we have to repaint this bumper is because of this. So this is the modification that was done. I mean, it worked, but it didn't look right for me and I didn't like it. So we're gonna have to redo it. I have Tommy, I have this part saved, so we had to cut this part. The reason why, because the OEM crash bar, it went protrude all the way out here, and you know, had to cut this to fit it in. But now it actually has an STM crash bar in there, so it's the aftermarket crash bar. Now it's perfectly fine. I just have to fabricate this back part in and then, you know, get it repainted. We also have a backup camera now. Woo! God, thank God for the backup camera. But yeah, that's really the only issue going on with the rear bumper is this part. So this is what it is. Definitely going to get it fixed. But yeah, the next new thing we got for this vehicle is the Tome exhaust. Yes, so I did a few poll actually, and a lot of guys suggested to go with the Tome instead of the STM catback. So that's exactly what we did. I'll give you guys a cold start in a little bit. A little bit of vehicle is actually, once we look at the engine and the interior, then I'll give you guys a cold start for the Tome. We not only that we replaced the catback, we also replaced the high flow cat. So with a Tome test pipe, so it's definitely a whole lot louder. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys like the sound of this exhaust. I do love it, but it pops a lot. I don't think my neighbor likes it too well, but yeah, you know, it is what it is. So yeah, so as far as the exterior mod, that's all we changed up. We, like I said, took the wrap off, new bumper, new side skirts, paint the fenders, paint the front bumper, and obviously paint the side skirts and rear bumper. So let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like the vehicle going back to white? I mean, I do. I personally love it. I love it a lot, and you know, I do enjoy the vehicle right now. I mean, I just got it back for a couple of days, so I can't really tell you, you know, how I feel, but so far I like it. Do enjoy it. All right, so let's go inside into the interior. For the interior, I know I said this a bunch of time, but we finally did it, guys. We finally got all the parts. Actually, this part hasn't come in yet. I just got a great deal for this part because when I bought the side skirts and the rear bumper, he had it too, so I just went ahead and got it. But one of my buddies on Instagram, I'll put his link on the bottom, he has an FE as well. He's going to buy this off for me. So he's going to buy this part off of me once it come in July. So here it is. That's what we have. So this is the Cusco 6-point dash elite cage. So that, yes, we finally got the Cusco cage in. I also got it powder coated the same color as most of the engine bay part we have. So let's take a look, guys. Had to get a new mirror for the rear, not to mention our new head unit. I'll get into that more, but there it is. There's an issue running with this cage. It fits perfectly well in the front. Obviously you bolt it down, everything. You have to do some customization, like cutting some of this carpet to fit in. But the biggest, let me get this, I didn't even unlock it. So, but the biggest modification you got to do for this cage is the rear seat. So there it is. So the reason why is because this part right here, when you put the back end in, there's this bar on the rear seat that won't clip in here, won't clip in the center. So I already got an appointment in 2 weeks to get a new upholstery, and they'll fix this so the rear seat will fit in. So definitely, we're also going to look into trying to get this the same color and same design as the Recaro. but you know, I'm not sure yet. If not, we're just gonna get the rear seat on, and as long as it's on, and if we can't get the upholstery, that's fine, we'll get it some other time. But most important thing is the rear seat. So there's so much stuff. Oh man, this it dragged on because I keep adding parts to the car and it just increased the times. But I'm actually really excited. So hopefully I don't forget about everything. But obviously, you know, this is a new head unit. This is actually the new 10.2 Android head unit that's capable for Apple CarPlay as well from SiGav. I'll have the link at the bottom. You could either get it directly from SiGav in China, which is about a month wait, or you could get it from one of their affiliate on Amazon. So either way, it works out pretty well. I like it. Let me turn it on for you guys real quick. So hold on, it was really hot. So this is actually what it looks like right here. I still is not familiar with all the options, but you know, if you have Bluetooth on, you connect, you click this and it go to your music, and then obviously it has all the other apps, YouTube and everything like that. So I definitely have to get into it, all the settings, see if I can change the app around. But the most important thing for this thing is the backup camera. So this is how the backup camera look. It's a little bright outside, but you can tell how it is. It's a little angle up, but definitely worth getting, because an Evo without a backup camera sucks, especially if you got a nice rear bumper and a rear diffuser. You definitely need a backup camera. Plus, you don't want to keep parking all sideways like I do. So yeah, this is a really big ad. Definitely enjoy it. I'm loving it. So all right, let's move into the engine bay, and then I got something else to show you guys. Whew. It's hot today, guys. It's hot. And here we go. All right, so here's our engine bay now. It looks a whole lot cleaner. So let me start by saying thank you NRG for making a nice tuck kit. So that's what we did. Remember, we had all the spark plug wires here, all these other crappy wires here. Now it's all tucked and clean. I actually got some more dress-up bolt from, you know, Dress-Up Bolt to get these part in here. So these new titanium bolts makes it look really good. Got this new manifold heat shield from AK Racing, so Evolution by Design. Appreciate it. Looks beautiful. It matches the firewall heat shield back there. Looks really good. I'm probably just end up taking this part off, you know, because I really don't need it for right now. I could keep it, but yep, looks amazing. We added the power steering fluid, power steering reservoir from Driven Fab. So Driven Fab here, Driven Fab there. Looks pretty good. Also, a major update here is we added a fuel regulator from Fuel Lab, which look hella good. You remember we had that old crusty line here? Now we don't. You can actually get these parts if you're wondering, these AN fitting wire things. You can get it from Amazon. I'll have the link as well for those if you looking for this, because it took me a while to find this. Somebody on Facebook actually pointed it out to me, so pretty good. I can't remember the name, so, but yeah, it looks really clean. Also, it's a couple carbon fiber piece here, and I'm waiting for these 2 pieces. But yeah, guys, it looks freaking beautiful. I actually took the you guys remember I actually installed the hood dampener here, but this carbon fiber hood is just really light, so it was actually, I was afraid it's going to crack the carbon fiber, so I actually put back in the stock one. So everywhere we replace this carbon fiber hood, then I put the dampener back on, because I still have that, but for now I'm just going to use the stock one. But yeah, guys, it's, I mean, the car is looking amazing. It's turned out amazing. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think it looks clean? What do you think about the red? I mean, personally, I like it, but you know, to each his own, right? One more thing that's coming for the engine bay is these radiator hose. I actually has the guy that I bought the other part from, he actually has this titanium for RK, from RK Titanium, but we're not going to leave it titanium. We're going to get it powder coated the same color, but at least we're going to have, you know, hard pipes instead of these nasty, you know, rubber hoses. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the engine bay. So yeah, that's pretty much all that I installed in the Evo. It's a whole big process, but if you do follow my Instagram, there's one more big install, so which I'm gonna show you guys right now. But let's get that cold start for the Tomei. What do you guys think? Hella loud, right? Definitely a whole lot louder than STM, but all right, wait for the surprise. That's right, boys, air ride. Yes, so when the car was almost done, I went ahead and got the air ride kit. So shout out to Squirrel for hooking me up with Wheel Lab, and then they got me a good discount on the Airlift 3P performance kit, and we went from there, went balls out. So I mean, there it is, boys, with the full work. So we got so pretty much all we did with the car was a lot of engine mods, especially that fuel regulator, which was a big pain in the butt. The cage, the head unit, new body parts, we repainted back to the diamond pearl that it is, and then we went with Airlift performance, just the whole shebang. And man, just gotta let you guys know, this is just crazy. The fitment, Jesus, look at that fitment. Whew. Can't tell me that's not nice. I mean, it's a little tuck in, but we try to go all the way down. So this is the main reason why I want these side skirts, is because when you air out, these underboard is just so close, and it just looks amazing. I mean, look at that. Wait till you guys see this with the rear diffuser, because right now it looks kind of weird without it, you know, like this is up high, but when you get that rear diffuser, it just comes straight out like this. So sick. I mean, look at that. Jesus. Ooh. Oh, let me show you guys the trunk. Wait for this trunk setup. Boy, look at this. Yes, got this powder coated the same color. So I'm trying to get the same red mixed out throughout the whole car. So I mean, what you guys think? Look at this. We set it up this way so I could be able to put, you know, little things here and there, but yeah, look at that. Very clean. I like it. New decal, status film, status garage. But yeah, Jesus. Woo. So much mod, it's just crazy, guys. Guys, I just definitely want to do a quick video for you guys. Well, it's not too quick, but a quick video because it's been about a month and a half since I made a video, and I was just waiting on this car to be done. On the next video, I'm gonna show all the features of this car. We can do a little bit of cinematic. There's a lot of errors that need to be fixed on this car, mainly because, you know, fitment issue, fabrication issues, yeah, pretty much like that. And obviously you guys realize the rear seats needs fixed, but other than that, man, the car is amazing. Like small stuff like this, I don't know what happened here. I broke this, so I already ordered a new light. Stuff like this over here, fitment was a little issue right here and here. I need a new bigger bolt here so it fits correctly better. But yeah, peeps, thanks for tuning into the vlog, and you know, hope you like the Evo so far, and there's a lot more to come. Stay tuned for the next video for the feature of the Evo and a lot of cinematic, I think with my boy Kiet or even with myself. But anyways, thanks for tuning into the vlog, peeps, and I see you next time. Peace.